Hi, how are you? Today we are going to draw a very easy tree in a very easy way. So you can see that the drawing is not that much complicated. So let's start with the crayon color on top. When you draw the trees, just put few strokes, like this one, the dark green, and put like this again and again. বাংলায় আমরা এটাকে বলি হিজিবিজি আঁকা। তো দেখুন এটা আঁকানো হয়ে যাচ্ছে। Just draw like this, stay with us, and in the bottom also few strokes like this, same strokes. So this is done for the dark shades. Now we are going to work for the lighter shades. Now let's put the light green colors here. All right, in between those you can see that the light green color all right, so light green is done. Then for the main trunk or the body, we are going to put this color like this. This is kind of red color. For the ground, we also put this one too, making the ground looks nice. All right, and we're going to draw the branches. You can see these are the easiest way. Some branches are visible in the middle, some branches are not. All right, that's how the drawing is going to look good. Now you can see that I'm going to use a dark pencil to outline the borders and putting lots of zigzag strokes. This is uneven strokes all over the outside circle. And for the main body, let's draw the outer circle like this. Okay, for the ground we're going to use the dark green pencil again. Made some longer strokes like this. All right, so dear viewers, you can see that how easy it's going to be. This is a very easy instructions. Please follow all the steps and the drawing is going to be better. Thanks for watching. You can practice at home and see the videos again if you miss any steps. And next we're going to bring more interesting ways and more videos. Please subscribe the channel as you like the videos. Thank you so much. Have a good day.